Hope this audio is a whole lot better and less drony, that you guys can actually hear me. That would be really awesome. Also went back to the old Hero 2, so hopefully that is good. We have some awesome sunlight coming in. It's testing out that tinted window. That's good. Right in the face. Can't flip this down or else it'll block your guys' view entirely. Yeah, that's great. That's awesome. So while we're at this red light, let's talk about our topics today. I want to talk about the 2020 GT500. I know I'm late to it. Let's get the clutch going. Smooth. No big deal there. Oh, sun in the face. Sorry guys. We're gonna have sun in our face. But yeah, while I'm driving and trying to hit on the freeway and get to some golf, I'm gonna go to the driving range with my buddy Sabir. I want to talk about the topics we're going to cover. It's going to be the GT500, the new 2020, my thoughts on it. I know I'm pretty late to the game on that. I just want to share my thoughts on it because I've been kind of quiet about it. I mean, I posted about it a little bit, I guess, when it first came out on my Instagram, but nothing on YouTube. And we're looking dead into the eyes of a cop right there. And I got nervous. That's good CHP on that one. Didn't look over though. Oh, I can't do it anymore. It's too freaking bright. I'm sorry. And then next, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the clutch. It's doing really well. I think we're getting so close to just being able to rip on it, which is going to be awesome. I think I'm at like 800 miles, so I'll give you guys a little bit of a higher RPM shift. Oh, she's mint. She's ready to go, really. Those were like 5,500 RPM shifts. Not my full like 75 or whatever, and just kind of slow, but she's mint. She's so ready to get going. Yeah, so I guess we'll start off with the clutch update. Yeah, we're about, let's see, 750. I restarted about almost 900 miles on the clutch now. And really, the braking has been just kind of me daily driving it. The car is, like I said, filthy. It's been daily driven, bugs all over the front, everything like that. And you know what? I'm totally okay with that because it's been fun just getting back into the driver's seat after it's been down for so long. Having your car in the shop for like a month will definitely make you realize how much you miss the car, especially if this is a car that... Jesus. Fuck. Idiot. This is why I need a dash cam literally right there. That one was right into my lane. Yeah, I do have the Blackview dash cam coming on the way. I forgot to mention that. I talked to Blackview. They're gonna send one out with a battery backup, which is pretty cool. I guess that segues into that. It's kind of off topic, but oh well. I can also pop this up now if the sun's not right in our face. But yeah, I definitely slammed on the brakes there. Whew, that was a close one. Probably about a foot away from my right fender over there. So yeah, be careful out there on the streets, guys. They may not see you, even though you're the one with the tent and you're supposedly supposed to be the dangerous one. I mean, look at this. Looking out in the tent, I can see fine. That dude had his windows down and he couldn't even see this. Now let's hop on to the 2020 GT500. Really, my thoughts, I mean, everyone's biggest gripe is the DCT. However, from my understanding, Ford is listening, right? So Ford is definitely having a finger on the pulse of what's happening within the social network and car community. So when everyone's complaining about that, you know, not having a stick, I guarantee they're going to be planning on the stick. And my thoughts, and I was talking to one of our buddies, Gowan, and we were talking and discussing, and my idea is they're going to use the TR6070, which is the same one that's in the C706. I feel like they're gonna throw that transmission, which is the better, newer version of the TR6060. I feel like they're gonna throw that into the 2020 GT500, really the 2021, because the 2020 is only dual clutch. And that's gonna make it a 7-speed Mustang for the first time ever. And I think that's what they're gonna use to go for a crazy top speed. I think that's gonna be their top speed number. They're gonna use the DCT to be the autocross, you know, track time car. And then their quarter or the standing mile or the top speed run car is going to be their manual with the 7-speed. That's what I think. That's my, you know, theory on it all. But I do want to be patient because I think in 2021 or something, that would be something pretty awesome to add to the collection. After, obviously, I get a truck, because that's really my next big thing is I really want an F-150. An F-150 is just nice because I fit in it a lot better than my daily driver Focus, and I can tow this thing if it's ever down. And I really love those cars, or trucks rather. And then lastly, this one's gonna get a little personal, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's just talking about, you know, what do you do when you hit failure? And my mindset on failure is failure can sometimes be a great thing, and it's gotta happen. You know, I'm a firm believer in you learn from experiences, and I think that failure is just a part of the life experience that you learn from and you move on from. For example, and the reason why I brought this up is today I had class. Here's the golf course we're gonna be at. And today I had class, and I really went into the final, or not a final, it was actually just an exam. I went into it, I thought I was gonna do really well. I had everything ready, my note card set, and everything like that. Oh God, these are bumpy. I had everything set. And you know what? I totally bombed it. You know, I had all the multiple choice answers correct, because that's what I studied for. And then we had open-ended questions, and it just, frankly, shit hit the fan, really. I mean, it dropped like a rock after that. Oh, that coyote is ready. She loves the high RPMs. Sorry, I was just focusing right there on the turn and everything. But yeah, I totally bombed it. And the way I saw it, I mean, I could be mad at myself. I could be mad at everything, have a terrible day because of it. I don't know if people do that, you know. But for me, I don't. And really, the reason why I don't do that is because it's a learning experience. I learned that the way I studied for that one was not right. And so this time I'm gonna have to study, or the next exam, I'll just have to study in a different way. I know what to expect, and that's part of life, you learn. And honestly, that's a beautiful part of life. Oh, that's a nice little BRZ right there. I like it. Matte blue. And a little motivation for you guys is some of the most successful people are the people that actually failed the most. There's a little back road, I'm gonna give it some. Alrighty, she's loving it. Nice little hairpin on this. Got my water bottle splashing around all over the place. So yeah, as I was saying, some of the most successful people that you guys love and follow actually are the biggest failures before that. They just keep failing enough to where they win. I want to share these with you guys because I'm big on like success, self-motivation, help, things like that. And I obviously am really big into business as well. So I just want to share those with you guys because, you know, I'm a firm believer that you can learn from other people without having to do it yourself and actually come out better because you don't have to pay the fool's tax, as we call it. So instead of, you know, having to be the guy that makes the mistake, you can learn from the guy that already made the mistake. And really that'll catapult you further than anywhere he was. And it really is just a great tactic so that way you can learn the most. I'm actually gonna air all the way up so I don't smash the parking thing. I just took this off. This is actually the new mic setup I was testing out so you guys can see the cable and all that. But I just wanna have a face-to-face with you guys just because, yeah, I think that these pieces that I can share, I think they could benefit you guys. I know that these types of things can just be a subtle reminder, and that's why I have that vision board if you guys have seen that in some of my vlogs. In the background or something. I just want to remind you guys every once in a while because life kind of gets in the way, things happen. I have school, I have these exams, I have everything like that, but sometimes you just need a little reminder of what your goals are and where you want to be, and sometimes that little extra word from somebody that you guys enjoy or something that you just didn't expect and it just popped in your mind. Those are the things that can just allow you to make a little bit better of a decision for tomorrow and set you up a little bit better for further on in life. Totally stealing this idea from TJ Hunt, who I really do look up to, and watching his videos and listening to some of the things he said actually helped me jump out of my comfort zone and start YouTubing or YouTube videos in general, just because at first it's so scary to do it, right? But watching his little motivational talks at the end totally helped me out. And you know what, if these things help you guys out and maybe you guys make a difference in your life or make a change for the better, hey, I'm all for it. And if you guys agree, leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.